Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks Part 3. Not really necessary, but I thought it'd be kind of neat to show you. If I was going to do it over, I would start over and not have this rough part right here. But the best way to fix that is either with the shape tool or the smoothing tool, with the exception that it's hard to fix both sides at one time and make them equal. So I'm a big fan of drawing half of it at a time. I'm going to take a 2-point line and I'm going to hit P. And because we draw the center of the page, I'm going to delete that side. So now we can zoom in on this sharpness and we'll actually get the smoothing tool, click on our line and just make it a little smoother. Make it transition a little bit. But you would have a hard time doing this to both of them equally. Now grab it all, Control D and make a duplicate. While holding down the control button, get the two-sided arrow and put it right there. Take away your line, and if all things work good, and I always put a, not always, but normally put a rectangle in case it leaks. Now you've got a lot smoother star, and they're equal on both sides. I could have actually done that, now that I think about it, when I created these lines. You know, instead of duplicating them over, matter of fact, I could have done the whole thing like that. I could have started off with the star and split it in half and just did this shape and taken out the white lines. Anyway, but we'll do it real quick to make it look like the original. We'll make it white. We'll bring in we'll just take that box and make it black. And that's what the original looked like. It was a star on a white background. It kind of gives it illusion that this is on top of that. It's not full effective, but works pretty good. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.